birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the great son of India. He was born at Cuttack. His father was a very renowned lawyer, Janakinath Bose, at Cuttack. And after completing his education and other things, to have a greater opportunity, he went to Calcutta and started his political life. The country was then fighting for freedom. Under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, lakhs of people have come to the street asking the Britishers to quit this country. Gandhiji asked the people to continue their fight till Britishers have left this country. In 1942, when there was a Quit India movement, Gandhiji asked the Britishers, quit India. Many people ridiculed Gandhiji at that time, saying that this naked fakir is asking such a big, great power of the world to quit India. But they did not know what confidence Mahatma Gandhi had in him and how the people of this country would understand him. Lakhs of people have jumped to the fire of freedom movement. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, he was not believing in this peaceful movement. Though he has a great regard for Mahatma Gandhi, though he accepted Mahatma Gandhi as the leader of this great movement, still then he said that such a big power, military power, cannot be driven away from India by only peaceful means. Bloody war is necessary. In a very mysterious manner, he left the country. British government could not know. And then he formed the Azad Hind Fauj, started fighting from Singapore. He joined hands with Germany and Japan for the sake of freedom of his nation. And due to all these fights, the peaceful movement, which is the greatest movement of Mahatma Gandhi, pressure from outside, Netaji Subhash Bose saw war from the other side. Ultimately, we got our freedom. Now we are not only a free nation, this is a great nation, a big power of the world, and both militarily and economically also India has become a very prosperous country. Netaji's contribution cannot be forgotten. Netaji at that time had asked youth, you give me blood, I will give you liberty. It created a sensation among the young generation. And not only young generation, people at his call had jumped to the fire of national movement against the Britishers. So he is such a great person, great son of the country, whose contribution cannot be forgotten. And on this occasion, we pay our greatest homage to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on his 125th birthday. Jai Hind.